Hey guys, Lou here from LT's Custom Woodworks. Welcome to the shop. Today has been, or actually 2025 has been a hectic year. I haven't been posting much videos at all this year, but hopefully I can get back on track. It's been overwhelming in the shop here. It's so dirty in here. It's actually becoming a safety problem, a safety issue that I'm not happy about, but we need to clean it up and get it safe again. And again, I haven't been posting a lot of pictures or videos up due to the fact that, a lot of customers, when I build a project for a customer and I post it, I get a bunch of orders of the same thing. So I can't be posting the same project up over and over and over. But other than that, Christmas is here. That's what matters. And I'm just finishing up this chair. I've done a video on the chairs, on the table that I had built with the bench, and I had made some chairs. Customers takes it home, and they were wanted to order more chairs. So I'm just finishing up this last chair for them that they ordered extra. That way I can get this all finished up for Christmas. And I will have a shutdown for Christmas until the second week of January. That way I can clean up the shop. I usually do a shutdown once a year. Check everything, fix things that are broken, make new jigs, clean out the motors out of all the machines and stuff, just to get everything tip-top for the next coming year. So I wanted to do this video just to thank everybody, and of course to apologize that I haven't been putting up a lot of videos, and to thank everybody, and Merry Christmas to everyone that's out there in the world. This is my favorite time of the season. I gotta say, I love Christmas. It's becomes nice and quiet, during those couple of weeks, and I shut down in the shop and I kind of spend a little bit of time in here and doing what I need to do, and it all works out. But that is that. That is what it's all about, right? It's all about having fun and having a great time. Anyways, that's all I wanted to say. Merry Christmas to everybody. See you guys in 2026. Hopefully it's going to be a better year. It definitely was a hectic year this year. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the new year. Merry Christmas.